The world's most expensive hotel rooms come with a price tag that's hard to fathom. These exclusive suites offer an experience that goes far beyond luxury, catering to the ultra-wealthy and redefining opulence. In this video, we're going to take you inside the 5 most expensive hotel rooms on the planet. We'll explore what makes these accommodations so extraordinary and discover the amenities and services that justify their astronomical costs. Get ready for a glimpse into a world of unparalleled luxury where every desire is anticipated and no expense is spared. From breathtaking views to personal butlers, we'll reveal what awaits those who can afford these pinnacles of hospitality. Imagine working for 2 full years, every day, just to afford a single night in a hotel room. That's the reality when it comes to the Empathy Suite at Palms Casino Resort in Las Vegas, where the average local worker would need to save their entire salary for 24 months to experience this opulent accommodation for just 1 evening. Located in the heart of Sin City, the Empathy Suite commands a nightly rate of $100,000. This price tag highlights the stark wealth disparity in Las Vegas, where a significant portion of the city's population lives below the poverty line. The Empathy Suite is a 9,000 square foot playground for the ultra-rich, featuring 2 master bedrooms, a cantilevered pool that seemingly defies gravity, and a salt relaxation room. The suite's design is characterized by vibrant colors and eccentric decor, perfectly encapsulating the spirit of Las Vegas. What sets the Empathy Suite apart is its dual nature as both a luxury accommodation and a living art installation. Renowned British artist Damien Hirst has left his unmistakable mark on the suite's design, from custom furniture to original artwork. The centerpiece is Hirst's Winner Loser, featuring 2 bull sharks suspended in formaldehyde, a striking representation of the high-stakes world of Las Vegas. Guests of the Empathy Suite enjoy exclusive amenities such as 24-hour butler service and access to exclusive resort features. This level of luxury, while extraordinary, serves as a reminder of the vast economic disparities that exist in Las Vegas and beyond, where such opulence contrasts sharply with the daily realities of many local residents. If you thought luxury accommodations couldn't surprise you anymore, prepare to have your expectations submerged. Imagine a hotel room where the ocean itself becomes your ceiling and your neighbors are exotic fish. Welcome to the Moraca Suite at Conrad, Maldives, Rangali Island, the world's first underwater hotel room. Located 16 feet below sea level, this extraordinary accommodation offers guests an unparalleled opportunity to immerse themselves in the vibrant marine life of the Indian Ocean. The creation of the Muraka was a marvel of modern engineering. The structure withstands the pressures of the underwater environment while providing a safe and luxurious experience for guests. Its curved acrylic glass ceilings and walls offer unobstructed 180-degree views of the surrounding coral reefs and their inhabitants. As you descend into the underwater bedroom, you're greeted by a mesmerizing spectacle. Schools of tropical fish dart past, while graceful rays glide overhead. The occasional shark might even make an appearance, adding a thrilling element to your underwater stay. It's like having your own private aquarium, except you're the one on display for the curious marine life outside. The Muraka's $50,000 per night price tag places it among the most expensive accommodations in the Maldives, far exceeding the cost of typical luxury overwater bungalows in the area. This reflects its unique status as the only underwater suite in the region, attracting an ultra-exclusive clientele of high-profile celebrities, tech billionaires, and wealthy adventure seekers. The underwater bedroom is just the beginning of the Muraka experience. The suite also includes an above-water level with additional bedrooms, a living area, and an infinity pool with ocean views. Guests enjoy a dedicated team providing personalized service, including gourmet meals and exclusive amenities such as a private boat. Every aspect of the stay is tailored to ensure an unparalleled luxury experience in this aquatic paradise. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of Manhattan, our journey through extravagant accommodations continues. Imagine a hotel suite so vast it dwarfs most New York City apartments, with a living room that transforms into a ballroom at the touch of a button. What would it cost to live like royalty in the heart of the Big Apple? Welcome to the Mark Penthouse at the Mark Hotel, the largest hotel penthouse suite in the United States. Spanning an impressive 10,000 square feet across the top 2 floors, this palatial retreat offers breathtaking views of Central Park, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and the iconic New York City skyline from its 2,000 square foot rooftop terrace. The Mark Penthouse is more than 14 times larger than the average New York City apartment, offering a level of space and luxury that's virtually unheard of in one of the world's most densely populated cities. While the average New Yorker pays about $3,000 per month for a one-bedroom apartment, guests of the Mark Penthouse pay $75,000 per night. Designed by renowned French interior designer Jacques Grange, the Penthouse is a masterpiece of luxury and sophistication. It boasts 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 2 wet bars. The living room, with its soaring 26-foot ceiling, is the true highlight. This space can be transformed into a full-sized grand ballroom using retractable walls and sophisticated lighting, seamlessly transitioning from a casual living area to an elegant venue for events. The Mark Penthouse is a favorite among celebrities and high-profile guests seeking privacy and unparalleled luxury. Stars like Selena Gomez and Oprah Winfrey have experienced the suite's opulence, often choosing it as their residence during major events in the city. Located in a historic 1927 landmark building on the Upper East Side, the Mark Hotel blends old-world charm with modern luxury. Its prime location, surrounded by cultural landmarks and high-end shopping, solidifies its status as the ultimate New York experience for those seeking the pinnacle of urban luxury. From New York's grandeur, we jet across the Atlantic to a city renowned for its precision and neutrality. But there's nothing neutral about this next suite. It's a fortress of luxury that makes the average Geneva home look like a closet. What makes it so extraordinary that it commands a price tag that would make even Manhattan blush? Welcome to the Royal Penthouse Suite at Hotel President Wilson in Geneva, Switzerland. This accommodation is a testament to Swiss precision and opulence, designed to cater to the most discerning and security-conscious guests in the world. The suite spans an impressive 18,000 square feet, approximately 15 times the size of an average Geneva home. This vast expanse of luxury provides an unparalleled level of comfort and security for its high-profile guests. Security is paramount in the Royal Penthouse Suite. With bulletproof windows and a state-of-the-art monitoring system, it ensures the safety of even the most prominent individuals. These features, combined with the hotel's reputation for discretion, have attracted guests like Rihanna, Bill Gates, and various political leaders. Luxurious amenities abound in the suite, catering to every possible desire. A Steinway grand piano sits ready for use, while a grand dining room can host intimate gatherings for up to 26 guests. For entertainment, the suite boasts a 103-inch Bang & Olufsen television, the world's largest in a hotel suite. The Royal Penthouse Suite at Hotel President Wilson is more than just a place to stay. It's an experience that redefines luxury accommodation. Every aspect of the suite, from its vast size to its cutting-edge security and exclusive amenities, is designed to offer an unmatched level of opulence and privacy for those who demand nothing but the best. Picture a lush Fijian island where sustainability meets opulence in ways you've never imagined. Welcome to Laala Island, a private paradise that redefines exclusivity and luxury. This 300-acre island is home to the Hilltop Estate, a crown jewel of accommodations that sits atop the island's highest point, offering breathtaking 360-degree views of turquoise lagoons, verdant rainforests, and pristine beaches. Staying at the Hilltop Estate requires more than just a reservation. The resort employs an exclusive application process, ensuring that only the most discerning individuals experience the unparalleled luxury of Laala Island. The Hilltop Estate consists of 3 separate villas, each with its own unique features. One boasts a walk-in wardrobe fit for a fashion mogul. Another offers a private library for literature enthusiasts, while the third showcases a large pool with an artificial waterfall that blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Laala Island stands out for its commitment to sustainability. The resort operates on a farm-to-table philosophy, with most produce grown on site, and utilizes renewable energy sources to minimize its environmental impact while maintaining the highest standards of luxury. Dietrich Mateschitz, co-founder of Red Bull and the visionary behind this eco-luxe paradise, has created a resort that caters to every whim of its ultra-wealthy clientele. His vision for Laala Island balances indulgence with responsibility, allowing guests to enjoy unparalleled opulence without compromising their environmental values. For those fortunate enough to secure a stay, the $61,000 nightly rate includes all-inclusive amenities that elevate the concept of luxury. Private chefs, personal butlers, and a wide array of activities are at guests' disposal. From horseback riding along pristine beaches to exploring vibrant coral reefs in a state-of-the-art submarine, Laala Island offers an experience that harmoniously blends extravagance with environmental consciousness. From horseback riding on pristine beaches to submarine coral reef exploration, Laala Island offers a taste of aquatic adventure. The Lover's Deep takes this concept to new depths, offering a luxury submarine hotel experience off the coast of St. Lucia. This unique vessel allows guests to explore the Caribbean's vibrant marine life from the comfort of their own mobile underwater suite. Unlike traditional hotels, the Lover's Deep can navigate to different locations, providing a customizable experience for its elite clientele. The submarine's glass-fronted areas offer stunning, ever-changing views of colorful fish, mysterious shipwrecks, and otherworldly coral formations. Despite its compact interior, the Lover's Deep spares no expense when it comes to amenities. Guests enjoy a private chef, personal butler, and speedboat transfers for shore excursions. The exclusivity of the Lover's Deep experience is unmatched. With only one submarine available, it caters to a select few who seek the ultimate in privacy and novelty. The vessel's crew undergoes specialized training to operate the submarine safely and provide top-tier service. The Lover's Deep attracts a diverse array of ultra-wealthy clients, from adventure-seeking billionaires to privacy-obsessed celebrities. Some guests are drawn by the allure of a one-of-a-kind romantic getaway, while others are motivated by the desire to explore the ocean's depths in unparalleled comfort. The common thread among all guests is a willingness to invest in extraordinary experiences that redefine luxury travel. As we conclude our journey through these luxurious accommodations, the total cost for one night in each is a staggering $520,000, a sum that exceeds what many people earn in a lifetime. This extreme opulence highlights the vast chasm of global wealth inequality, where a single night's stay could fund life-changing initiatives for entire communities. This stark contrast prompts us to reflect: what truly justifies such extravagance? And how can we, as global citizens, address this immense disparity? As we marvel at these pinnacles of luxury, we're reminded of the pressing need to create a world where such opulence and basic equity can coexist, challenging us to consider our role in bridging this divide.